Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the latest update on WhatsApp for PC, which makes sending GIFs faster and easier than ever. If you're ready to add some fun and creativity to your chats, follow these simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is running smoothly, navigate to the chat where you want to send a GIF. This could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of searching through menus or clicking icons, simply press Ctrl + Shift + G on your keyboard. This shortcut opens up the GIF selection menu instantly, saving you time and effort. Once the menu appears, browse through the available options or use the search bar to find the perfect GIF for your message. Whether it's a funny reaction, a heartfelt animation, or something quirky, pick the one that best fits your mood. After selecting your GIF, click on it to confirm your choice. The GIF will automatically appear in your chat window, ready to send. All that's left is to hit enter, and your chosen GIF will be delivered instantly. And that's it. With this new update, sending GIFs on WhatsApp for PC has never been easier. Say goodbye to complicated steps and hello to quick, expressive messaging. Try it out today and make your conversations more lively and engaging. Thank you for watching. Keep exploring new features and shortcuts to make the most of your WhatsApp experience.